Hello. There's always someone like video ልሰራ ስል it's like my second YouTube video ማለት ልሰራ ስል ሁሌ የሆነ ሰው ኢንተረፕትስ ነው። የሆነ ሰው ይመጣና ያንኳኳል። Wait, let me get this straight. የሆነ ሰው ያንኳኳል ምናምን እና በቃ ምቀኛ ብቻ። So yeah, welcome back. I think one of the favorite things, my favorite things, መስማት or ማየት የሚመቸኝ is a podcast, right? ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ favorite podcast is Modern Wisdom የሚያውቁ ሰው ካለ ሞደርን ዊዝደም ይባላል። ኢትስ ላይክ ክሪስ ዊለክስ ከራንደም ስትሬንጀሮች ጋር ሳይሆን ከተለያዩ ላይክ ብሪሊየንት ማይንድስ አለ ላይክ በጣም በጣም የሚገራሩ ማይንድስ ኦፍ ዘ ወርልድ ከሚባሉ ጋር ቁጭ ብለው ፎር 2 ሰዓት 1 ሰዓት ተኩል ምናምን ያወራሉ። ሜይ ቢ ኢቭን 3 ሰዓት right? So one of my favorite ones is ከአሌክስ ሆርሞዚ ጋር የሚያደርጉት ንግግር was one of the best conversations I've ever heard. ሆነ ለመናገር they had like 3 ምናምን እና የመጨረሻውን I advise you to see it. ቆይ I need to have a podcast recommendation, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Podcast recommendation coming up. ያበደ podcast, ያበደ episode. So yeah, I was hearing him and now they were talking about life. Alex Hormozin የሚያውቀው ሰው ካለ he's a very successful person in terms of the way he built his life, like relationship wise, ከሚስቱ ጋር ያለው ከጓደኞቹ ጋር ያለው does he even have friends? He has friends. ግን friend በቃ life revolves around his wife እና his work እና he's very successful. የመጣበት አመጣጥ ምናምን ወደ success is like የሚገርም ነው እና he was talking about his wife and basically about love and stuff, and I'm not an expert of love obviously. That there were that kind of part like there was some kind of letter. There's a love letter Richard Feynman ለሚስቱ የጻፈላት ማለት ነው። It's like not genuinely I'm not big on love and stuff ምናምን ግን it's just genuinely one of the best letters I've ever read genuinely ማለት ነው እና soon I wanted to share it with everyone እና የእናንተን ሀሳብ ምናምን የምናየው እና ከዛ ላይ ኮንቨርሴሽናቸው ላይ የሆነ ደስ ያለኝ ፓርት ነበር ከአሌክስ ሆርሞዚ ጋር ክሪስ ዊለክስ ያለው የሆነ አድቫይስ ነበር እና I'll share that to you እና የኔም ፐርስፔክቲቭ በዛው ነግራችኋለሁ ማለት ነው። So I'm gonna ወደ ሌተሩ እንሄዳለን። Yeah, man, I hate this shit. Let's go. October 17, 1946. Dear Arlene, I adore you, sweetheart. I know how much you like to hear that, but I don't only write it because you like it. I write it because it makes me warm all over inside to write it to you. It is such a terribly long time since I last wrote to you, almost 2 years, but I know you'll excuse me because you understand how I am, stubborn and realistic, and I thought there was no sense to writing. But now I know, my darling wife, that it is right to do what I have delayed in doing, and that I have done so much in the past. I want to tell you, I love you. I want to love you, and I will always love you. I find it hard to understand in my mind what it means to love you after you are dead. But I still want to comfort and take care of you, and I want to love you. I want you to love me and care for me. I want to have a problem to discuss with you. I want to do little projects with you. I never thought until just now that we can do that. What should we do? We start to learn to make clothes together, or learn Chinese, or getting a movie projector. Can't I do something now? No, I'm alone without you, and you are the ideal woman and general instigator of all our wild adventures. When you were sick, you worried because you could not give me something that you wanted to and thought I needed. You did not have worried, just as I told you then. There was no real need because I loved you in so many ways so much. And now it's clearly even more true. You can't give me nothing now, yet I love you so that you stand in my way of loving anyone else. But I want you to stand there. You, dead, are so much better than anyone else alive. I know you will assure me that I am foolish and that you want me to have full happiness and don't want to be in my way. I'll bet you are surprised that I don't even have a girlfriend except you, sweetheart, after 2 years. But you can't help it, darling, nor can I. I don't understand it, for I have met many girls, and very nice ones, and I don't want to remain alone. But in 2 or 3 meetings, they all seem ashes. You only are left to me. You are real. My darling wife, I adore you. I love my wife. My wife is dead. Rich. P.S. Please excuse my not mailing this, but I don't know your new address. This is love, bro. This is love, ሲጀመር. If love really exists, I'm not saying it doesn't, Allah. Then if it exists, this is it. በቃ how could someone love you when you're dead? I mean, like, if you're a husband and a wife, bro, በቃ this is it. Bro, this is so good. Yeah. This is just it. This is love. That's the best letter. Yeah, ይሄን አነበቡና they were having a conversation about basically loving someone and stuff, right? Like, በጣም interesting ነገር አነሳ ብዬ ማስበው እና that I want to share with you guys is first advices ማለት ነው, which I need to take for myself እና ለእናንተ የምነግራችሁን advice obviously ለራሴ እየወሰድኩ ነው by the way. እና yeah, the first advice is you do life all at once. So usually እኛ like የምናስበው if it like በጣም like የምታቅዱ ከሆነ ህይወታችሁን which is good for you guys, right? So I do that too. በጣም like አቅዳለሁ ከመጀመሪያው እስከ መጨረሻው አመቱን አቅጄ ነው የምጨርሰው, right? Yeah, which is a good thing አላ አትሊስት በአመታችሁ ውስጥ ምን ነገር ማሳካት እንዳለባችሁ እያሰባችሁ ነው እና አትሊስት ታውቁታላችሁ ምን ኤም እንዳረጋችሁ አመት ውስጥ so አትሊስት አመቱ ሲያልቅ you can say I did this, so it's not that bad አላ the year has been successful, I've been productive over the year, ለዛ it's not that bad ብላችሁ you can rate your year. ግን if someone doesn't actually plan it, Allah, they might have a productive year, ግን they'll never truly know like whether it was a productive year or not, ምን ነገር ማሻሻል እንደነበረባቸው ምን ጎሏቸው እንደነበረ unless you plan it እና unless እያንዳንዱን ዲቴል የምትይዙ ካልሆነ ለመሻሻል በጣም ከባድ ነው, right? ግን ፕላን ስታደርጉ you need to consider that life is done at once, meaning ሁሉም ነገር አንዴ ነው መሆን ያለበት. Your professional life, your relationships, your family stuff, every kind of relationship at once ነው የምትሄዱት. meaning careeraችሁን እየገፋችሁ like family relationshipአችሁ, love lifeአችሁን set aside ማድረግ አትችሉም, right? That's what they were saying and it is true. እና even በእኛ አሁን I'm in uni, right? So like ግቢ ነው ያለሁት ምናምን I'm GC ነኝ ብራ እና I mean I have friends fresh ስትሆኑ you kind of get full focusአችሁ is on ትምህርታችሁ ብቻ, right? So ያን ያህል ፍሬንዶች ሜክ ላታደርጉ ትችላላችሁ. if you have a goal, usually ፍሬንዶች በጣም ሰስ ትሆናላችሁ ከዛ ላ there are different type of people ግቢ ውስጥ, so it's a new environment. ለዛ you don't want to make bad friends, you just want to make good friends. ለዛ you'll take time ፍሬንዶች እስከምታገኙ ድረስ ለእናንተ የሚሆኑ. ለዛ you might be alone and stuff, የዛኔ ትምህርታችሁን ልትገፉ ትችላላችሁ. ግን in general ግቢ ውስጥ you need to have friends እና ፍሬንዶቻችሁ የምትሰጧችሁ ጊዜ አለ፣ ለራሳችሁ የምትሰጡ ጊዜ አለ፣ ለትምህርታችሁ የምትሰጡ ጊዜ አለ. literally everything needs time እና it's not something you could just set aside. You need to do everything once. So you need to study ጠዋት ላይ maybe class ጠዋት ትገባላችሁ, ከሰዓት ላይ you can study, ከ11 ሰዓት በኋላ you can give yourself time ምናምን. if you need to go to the gym, go to the gym. If you need to take a walk, go for a walk ከዛ ማታ ላይ ጓደኞቻችሁን ታገኛችኋላችሁ you can spend some time with them ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ you can study see it's done እንደዛ ላይፍም እንደዛ ቀን ነው የሚሰራው you need to do it all at once like when you plan consider everything literally everything and yeah don't set aside important stuff because obviously this is going to be important you know those miserable like old people you're going to be like those if you don't actually give time to the people you love and not care about so I think I genuinely like working now if I could work like 24 ሰዓት per day not 24 ሰዓት መተኛት አለብኝ ለምንድን ነው የምሰክሰው እሺ if I could do like 12 ሰዓት ብሰራ እና if I could just go and sleep I would እውነት ድሮ ስመጣ እኔ ግቢ ስመጣ የነበረኝ ሜንታሊቲ እንደዛ ነው ከዛ በፊት የነበረኝ ሜንታሊቲ እንደዛ ነው I like working ግቢ ውስጥም ፈርስት ይር ስጨርስ ሰከንድ ይር ላይም እስከ ግማሽ ድረስ basically the mentality I had is እየሰራሁ እስከሆነ ድረስ የሆነ ነገር ትምህርቴን እየጨከልኩ ኢንተርንሺፕ ምናምን ትሞክራለህ basically everybody else's lifeም እንደዛ ነው እንደዛ የሚሰማቸው ሰዎች ይኖራሉ right so if you do certain stuff በwork satisfy ብቻ የምትሆኑ ከሆነ like እንደዛ ያለ ነገር ሰርቼ እስከ ደከመኝ ድረስ I'll sleep satisfied that I did something right በዛ ቀን ማለት ነው እና it's not supposed to be like that እና I'm absolutely grateful for the people I've met እንደዚህ ያስተማሩኝ ሌላ important stuff እንዳሉና people's connection the surrounding everything is really important ለእናንተ success እና ለእናንተ well-being ለዛ when you're planning consider that everything goes as one and not give the time to the people that's most important to you and stuff yeah so consider that when you're planning the second thing not the most important thing a video መሆን የነበረበትም basically the main focus a point line ነበር it says from my friends and stuff ያኔ ሌላ ቀን ይደርሳል bro from my friends and everyone else there is a lot of confusion especially when we're young there is በጣም ግራ የሚገባ ነገር about finding your person right so what kind of person that I need to date as a Muslim I need to get married can that date in a sense of ለሌላ ሰዎች not me because I'm a Muslim so yeah what was I saying yeah date so they said that mostly like the person you should be with እና አንድ ላይ መሆን ያለባችሁ ሰዎች ከእናንተ ጋር like ስትጠብሱ ምናምን I don't like that word እሺ ከእናንተ ጋር መሆን ያለባቸው ሰዎች or ፍቅረኛሞች ምናምን መሆን ያለባቸው is someone who sees the world in the same way as you do which is amazing right እንደዚህ አይነት ምክር I swear to God እኔ ሰምቼ አላውቅም ማንም መክሮኝ አያውቅም ሌላ ሰው ካወቀው I really don't know right it's a game changer ሲጀመር ስለዚህ ዓለሙን በቃ ህይወትን basically እንደናንተ የሚያይ ሰው ነው የሚያስፈልጋችሁ so I've seen people date different people right so they give you different perspective ምናምን right ከናንተ like ለየት ያለ አስተሳሰብ ለየት ያለ እይታ ያላችሁ ሰዎች date or marry ሲያደርግ አንድ ሰው different perspective ይሰጣቸዋል which is fair that's a good argument ለኔ አልቀበለውም ግን it's a good argument right ለምን if there is something I'm sorry there is something right እዚህ ጋር ካለ you can see from this እንደዚህ perspective and they can see it from this perspective right so it's different you get to see both sides of the coin ግን እንደዛ ነገር የሚሰራው is not with romantic relationship ላይ ይሰራል ብዬ አላምንም because it's always different side ነው የሚታያቸው እነሱ not the same side right ግን in order to be with someone እነሱ ሲሉት it's really important to have someone who sees everything in the same way as you do because you never have to explain ራሳችሁን ለዛ ሰው right ሁሉ ነገር የምታረጉትን ነገር ሁሉ ነገር አክሽናችሁን ያ ሰው ይገባዋል why you did that ለምን እነሱም ዓለምን የሚያዩት በዛ አይነት መልኩ ስለሆነ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ እናንተ ስታረጉ obviously if you do a wrong thing የተሳሳተ ነገር ካረጋችሁ they'll see it እና ያስተካክሏቸዋል። it doesn't mean like መጥፎንም ጥሩንም ስትሰሩ ጥሩ ነው ብሎ ይቀበላሉ ማለት አይደለም። ግን the idea is that if someone እንደናንተ የሚያይ ከሆነ ሁሉን ነገር imagine you would never have to explain yourself ማለት ነው። your dreams, everything, በቃ your conversations, imagine everything ይገባቸዋል in every level, right? ለዛ if you find someone, እነሱ ያለው is if you find someone who sees the world in the same way as you, whatever you're doing, you need to stop whatever you're doing, and now you need to convince that person to stay with you for the rest of their lives, right? ለእናንተም ላይፋችሁ which is a big deal. And with convincing stuff is different, right? You don't need to convince anyone to be with you. That's a different topic, right? But the idea is ምንም ነገር እየሰራችሁ ከሆነ if you find someone that sees everything in the same way as you do, marry that person. That's the biggest advice. If I get that person, I'm gonna marry them. So that's the biggest advice ከዛ ንግግር, which is a big deal. And I swear አስተሳሰቤን ቀይሮታለን. The way I see people, the relationships nowadays. Now, yeah, whenever I see my friends dating and stuff, yeah, ከሆነ እንደዚህ ነው ማስበው. if they don't see እንደነሱ አይነት አስተሳሰብ ከሌላቸው, probably I'm gonna advise them to let go, right? I'm gonna advise them not to let go. I'm gonna advise them. Then I'm not advise them to let go. I'll just advise them that they should be with someone that, yeah, you get this. Then the idea is in does not, and yeah, you should watch the podcast, Alex Hormozy with Chris Willex. It's a very interesting podcast. Yeah, thank you for being with me for my duration. I don't know, it's probably a longer video because በላይ ከመጀመሪያችን በላይ it's my second YouTube video. Because yeah, please subscribe and be part of the community, right? ሀሳባችሁን ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ because I really want to know your perspective. Yeah, goodbye and have a great week. Yeah, have a great week. This is like mentioning post, probably you can have a great week. Yeah, bye.